English Fast, helping advanced learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR C2. Drought, groan, impulsive. Drought. Drought is a noun. C2 learners usually know drought. A drought is a long period of no rain. Here are some examples. When there is a drought, the crop yield will be poor. In some countries, periods of drought are followed by flooding. Topics for discussion today include the current drought. Groan. Groan is a noun and a verb. C2 learners usually know groan. A groan is a long, low sound that expresses pain. Here are some examples. With an unhappy groan, he slumped to one side. He groans each time that he feels the pain. He moaned and groaned a lot, but there was nothing wrong with him. Impulsive. Impulsive is an adjective. C2 learners usually know impulsive. Impulsive describes a person who does things suddenly, without thinking or planning. Here are some examples. He is an impulsive kind of child. She acts before thinking. That's her impulsive nature. He greeted her with a hug, an impulsive gesture that surprised everyone. Now, write some of your own sentences with drought, groan and impulsive. Download the free C2 handbook sample from englishfast.co.uk.